Alright. Okay, let's pause and follow me.
Hi, we're all down here at Dromore Activity Centre for Phil and Agligany Gorma. Today's experience is about taking the local groups out to the community, out to the farm, to have a wee bit of nature, have a bit of time of relaxation. This week's about mental health, so what a great way to get started with mental health by taking a bit of time to de-stress, watch nature, be one with animals and stuff about the place, get everyone out of the city for a wee bit.
Right, who's going to catch the biggest fish today? Never mind. What?
Yeah, point.
Get a spoon, me, get my guys.
Hold on.
You're going to get us out of that.
Here, Dahi, show us what size that fish is going to be.
Billy! What? Can't find her.
How does it feel now you caught a fish?
Jeff, come on, Jeff. Take it out.
No, drop it down.
Do you want to touch it?
Yeah, I want
Too
to.
loud, man. Top boy. Just let the rod sit on the ground. Good picture. Serious? Let the rod sit on the ground.